Hello everyone, welcome to JackNap. Today we receive the PCB and we're going to test our new kind of LED switch PCB like this. And this is the receive LED. This is the emit LED. After done, it's like this. Voltage is 12, and we can have a test. This. Okay. So when the objective between two LED, the red light will on, then it closes, on, close, on, close. It works good. And this kind of light switch, when long time work, it can be long time work. Thank you. See you next time.